Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 8th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, I still think on these high time frames that we need to make another move down to hit this 78% Fibonacci retracement from the weekly time frame. But I actually think this is potentially like an A, B, and we're in like a wave C, or maybe because it's more three-way patterns, maybe it's more like a WXY. Either way, I think that it needs to go up quite a bit more before it actually does make that move down to either finish off a wave C or maybe a wave Y of a WXY pattern. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, because of all that information, I definitely would still be bullish. Yes, we are going down pretty strong right now, but we don't have any significant breaker structure. We don't really have any significant lower high. So it's hard not to assume that this move down could just be another pullback within an uptrend. So if you do see some sort of a three-way pullback to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and then a reversal back to the upside, then I definitely would still continue to look for longs every single chance I got. As long as it doesn't stop breaking structure to the downside, I definitely would still be recommending longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.